Hello, this is Mr. Noblin. This video will give you a basic overview of AutoDesk Inventor, its interface, and its file types. First of all, the icon for AutoDesk Inventor should be on your desktop. It is this orange eye. I've already opened it. It does take a second to load, so give it a little bit of time. When you first open AutoDesk Inventor, this is what you will see. For those of you who might have a little experience in the past, this might seem confusing, but basically everything you need to know is going to be right in this area here. Alright? Anytime you need to open up a file type, you're going to be working out of this new component. Now, I have already opened up a few file types in a separate Inventor program, and I'm going to give a little bit of a basic overview for them. Your first file type is a .ipt, which stands for an Inventor part file, and that is the individual component. So you can see here, this is a gear. What we do with Inventor is we build all of our individual components, our individual parts, and we assemble them into an assembly. Our assembly files have the file extension .iam or Inventor assembly. After we've built our assemblies, we can then manipulate those files and create presentation files and or drawing files. You guys have already worked with multi-view sketching, so an IDW or Inventor drawing file links up with that. Our last file type is an IPN or Inventor presentation file. So again, IPT is your part file, IAM is your assembly file, IPN would be a presentation, and IDW is a drawing. For the first part of Inventor, we're only going to be working out of our IPT files. To explain a little bit of the interface, no matter what file type you're in, you're going to have the same toolbars. Up here on the left is our application menu. That's similar to going to File in Microsoft Word. You'll see New, you'll see Open, Save, previous files that have been opened, etc. Just to the right of your application menu is the Quick Access toolbar. There's a few files here or links to new parts, opening, saving, undo, etc. Next is our ribbon. Our ribbon is separated into tabs as well as panels. So this would be the Create panel, the Modify panel. The ribbon is going to reflect whatever file type you have open. If you have an IPT open, it's going to look different than your IAM ribbon. Notice that if you hover over things in your ribbon, it'll give you a brief explanation of that command. It'll tell you the name of the command in bold, and if it has a letter associated to the right of it, for this one, P, that is actually a shortcut on the keyboard for that command. Over here to the left is our browser. Our browser keeps track of everything that occurs in that particular file. So for example, this assembly, all the parts that are placed in this assembly are shown, and if I expand upon one, any constraints that were placed on that part. If I'm looking at a drawing file, it tells me how many sheets I have in that drawing file. It tells me that I have a border, a title block, any views that are placed, and the parts associated with those views. This big area in here is our workspace. Again, it simply reflects whatever it is that we're working on. When we are working in IPTs, IAMs, and IPNs, we additionally have a view cube that allows us to look at whatever file at different angles. Lastly, along the bottom is the status bar. And that simply kind of gives you the heads up of what you should be doing. Right now it says ready, which simply means it's ready for you to do the next phase of that part or that file. So that's the overview of interface, or the overview of Inventor, its interface, and its file types. Thank you.